My goodness.
We've made some progress this weekend. It's amazing.
What a day today.
We put the toilet in. We got the handles on the vanity. We put all the fixtures in except for one. I have to get a different fitting to put that one on, but...
We need to hang the mirror. I mean, there's a few things. Trim.
Yeah,
we need paint touch-ups. The door.
Hang the mirror. Do the cabinet. The register for that.
But, oh my gosh. To see the fixtures on here and have running water. We have a toilet installed now. And to see all the hardware on the cabinets is so awesome. Like, it's just, now we can actually use this bathroom at least. And it's functioning. Just
to think of where it was and where it is now. I can't wait to see the finals once we get the cabinet built and everything. But we just love it. This is our favorite part of the whole project.
Yes, putting it back together.
It's been a long 3 or 4 months, but we're here now.
But we hope you guys have liked this so far.
Yeah.
And
I can assure you this won't be our last
renovation
project.
That's right.
Love it.
No, I did it.
Bye-bye.
I just want to give you a quick update. It is 9 o'clock on a Tuesday night. We're still working. My dad was here all night. Sean has been working all night. He's still outside finishing up, but we have the window block in. It looks so nice. Check it out. I cannot wait to see this in the morning. It is gonna let in so much light. So we were, obviously the options were to do window block, to do a window, or to just close it in. I definitely didn't want to close it in, but I also thought it would be kind of creepy to have a window, even though it'd be nice to be able to open it. So anyways, long story short, we did the window block, the glass block, and so the boys were busy mortaring and getting it all stacked up tonight, and then I went through with a sponge and was able to wipe it all down and clean it up. It looks really nice, and I'm excited to see it in the morning and see what it looks like. So we're getting close, guys. It's kind of a mess right now. They had to put hardwood down, or plywood down, to cover up the bathtub, but it is coming along. What do you think, Alley Cat? Huh? What do you think? Okay, she doesn't think anything right now. Always working, eh?
What time is it, Brooke? Can I be done working yet?
Yeah, I think it's like 9 o'clock. Oh, there's Alley Cat stepping right in the glue. So he is putting that transition piece on. Hi, miss. We have come a long way tonight. Sean put the 2 little towel racks or hooks up. And one day, these things were so expensive, weren't they, honey?
That's why we only got 2 of them.
We only got 2. I want 4 one day. But with just 2 of us.
For what, Brooke?
For right now.
No, stop.
One day, hopefully, we'll have babies. And we'll need like 2 more, at least.
I feel bad for whoever buys this house because this son of a ain't coming up.
Oh, yeah, that's a lot of liquid nails. So anyways, we got the towel rack, oh my gosh, the towel hooks up, and Sean finally got this all hooked up. That was a project.
Paper towel, hurry!
Oh gosh. Paper towel?
Or toilet paper would work too.
I'm going, does it need to be wet?
No! And I don't want to hear none of that. I would have got it better than you did.
Well, I want it completely gone. Or it's not good enough.
Brooklyn.
Anyways.
Now, back.
Golly, this is what it's like.
Sorry for the intermission.
What are we doing today, Sean?
We are hanging the mirror. Getting the mirror all situated.
Goodness.
And I don't know if we're gonna have to go center the light. I think you have to go center the light.
Faux show.
Jeez.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, it's gonna be
It's
nice.
gonna look so good.
I'm excited too.
We're tired.
Yeah, and I'm so tired I'm getting delirious. I just asked Brooklyn, do you think cats know about reflections?
I don't think that they do.
Like when they look in the mirror, do they think, that's me? Or do they see another kitty?
That's when you know you need to just call it a night.
I put this, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but I put this shower head in today. I can't wait to shower up here and just...
So my goal, I hate cleaning bathrooms, specifically the shower. Like our shower downstairs, I love it. And it's not a tub, like it's just an all tile shower, but it is hellish to clean. Like
you can't get water, you gotta either cup it with your hands or get a cup of water.
I get this bucket and I pour it down the side, it's just awful. So I told him I want a sprayer, 1 to clean my bathroom and 2 to wash my babies one day.
Yeah.
So that's what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
With them.
There's a hot and cold control knob right here. And once you get it set to like a temperature you like, you just leave that alone. And then you flip this up, turn it on, and it'll start coming out the spout. You pull the thing up, and then you either got straight to the shower head, both the shower head and the sprayer, or just the sprayer.
The tub. Oh yeah.
Yep. And it was a learning curve getting the plumbing all.
You did so good though.
All right.
What the brand Delta?
Yep, Delta.
We used all Delta. It's Delta Trinsic Series.
Yeah, it's a series.
And so we did all of that throughout the entire bathroom. This is the faucet.
The worst part is...
The drains are all like the pop. It's just super nice.
Lock.
Like their faucets are super expensive, but...
This is a Kohler tub.
Oh yeah.
And you got the black fixtures with that. The black fixtures are so nice, but nowhere. Menards, Home Depot, Lowe's, nowhere has black like this. They all have the oil bronze. You got this on Amazon.
Yep.
And we'll have to show you the new curtain when we get that on, but...
Anyways, it's time for bed.
Yep, Kitty's ready. When she gets on my shoulders, that means I'm ready for bed.
Yeah. So, thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this, and stay tuned for the final reveal. I think the next one will be the final reveal.
Yep, we'll get the trim on and all the door casing on, and that'll be it. On to the next.
So excited. Okay.
Night.
Good night. Okay, guys. I'm on to another project today. I am painting trim for the bathroom, painting door casing for the door, touching up a few spots that have got dinged up, etc. So I am going to be busy doing that, try to get that all done so Sean can install it. We're getting so close, so I'll show you what we have. This is the paint I use. It's Behr Premium Plus Stain Blocking Paint and Primer in 1. And it's the Ultra Pure White. So we had to get new door stops and our casing set, and then this is the trim for the whole bathroom. Hopefully that's enough. So I'm gonna quick paint everything, and this is the current situation of the door for the bathroom because the boys had to take the door stop off, this part off to get the bathtub in. So I think we have a big sander. I think I'm gonna sand everything down. Ugh. I don't know, or just sand with a hand sander like this little line and try to get it cleaned up. And then on the inside, it just needs that door casing put on. So shouldn't be too terrible. Nice work.
Woo!
That is a pain, isn't it?
Can I clock out yet?
Yeah. Got it all sanded.
Looking good.
Well, we got a couple things done today, right, Notch?
That's right, Brooke.
We got the toilet paper holder in. That took us forever to figure out what to do. We didn't know whether we should just... We didn't have room. Originally, we bought a toilet paper holder, and then we were like, crap, we don't even have room.
No room for it.
So we were going to maybe set it on the shelf, but we thought that was kind of awkward, so we just cut out some of the cabinet and put it in there.
Yep.
It worked out good.
Yeah, it's going to be perfect.
I've been painting trim.
I've been sanding.
Sean's been sanding, which, I didn't think we were going to have to do that, but...
Dirty.
Folks, just don't paint your trim if you're going to redo your bathroom.
Right.
Anyways, Sean did a great job. It looks really nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
And now I get to paint it, and then he will put the trim in next.
Yep.
But not tonight.
Not tonight. Time for dinner.
Because he's off work.
Off
or
work.
he's clocked out.